Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic four-door sedan. This is the right front. It's a very easy one to do. Make sure it's not the switch first. I'll tell you how to find that out later on. Pop off the switch housing and unplug that. And then you've got a cover behind that, and you're taking out a couple screws there and there. Next, two screws right behind the handle. That's about it. Just pull off the panel. If you hear a click, it's probably the motor itself, or a crunching grinding sound, it's probably the motor itself. If you hear nothing, it might be your master window switch, or your childproof lock is on the master window switch. Check that first. Call me, text me if you have any questions. Don't call me. Call me if you want me to do it for you. We're in Tampa Bay and Sarasota, but otherwise, just ask on YouTube. When you do this, it's easier to just remove the entire handle assembly than to take the cables off of it. Much easier. Also, just gonna rip that off. Get it out of the way. We're gonna take off the switch house, the harness that goes to the motor. We're going to take off the 10mm bolts, and one of them was in the way, so I'm going to try to use the switch to get it up or down, but I'm getting nothing. So the next thing you can do is cut the cables that go to the regulator. Don't cut any electrical wires, but the two metal cables that go to the regulator you can cut with impunity. I was trying to just push it up, but it wasn't going to happen. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. If you find this helpful, do me a favor, like the video. That'll help other people such as yourself find it. I just cut the cable. I put my suction cup on the glass. I'm cutting the metal cable, just the metal cable that holds the regulator. And I should be able to push it up or down. A little bit of WD-40 in the two up and down channels, the rubber channels on the side. Every 3 or 4 months is a good idea. Everything goes much easier. And then we got that 10mm bolt out. I'm going to put the glass up. Be careful not to break the glass clips, in which case you'll have a bit of an issue. I'm lining it up in the channel. I put my suction cup back on. Harbor Freight suction cups, $5, good deal. Take out the 4 bolts that hold the regulator assembly to the door. And then pop off the clip right there. Out with the old, in with the new. It's a very common problem. I may have these on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com. If I do, check it out there. If not, off to Advanced or AutoZone, or not Honda. It'd be very expensive from Honda. You notice I put one of the 10mm bolts on right there to line it up. Actually, 2 of them. I think one on the bottom left as well. Plugged it in. Bosch tools, they're the best. I've used everything over the years. Bosch is the number one. And then let's bring the glass down. And again, be very careful putting the 10mm bolts back into the glass clips. You make sure they're not stripped or cross-threaded. Don't over-tighten it. Those glass clips can easily break, especially if you're in a warmer or colder climate. But everything seems to be working just fine. Now you'll note the wiring harness on the right. That was to the lock switch, the lock actuator. Make sure you put that back on. You're gonna tuck it through there, but make sure you put that back on. Try not to forget that. Right there. A little bit of tape. Should be able to slide that whole housing through. And again, if you have any questions, please ask right here on YouTube. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, and thank you for watching, and have a great week.